Among Us. This time we're not going to be sleepyheads today. Just kidding, we are. We are sleepyheads. Guess how many times I said sleepyheads? Nothing happened. Okay. Here we go. Time to do something. I'm just going to go in the middle of nowhere. Bro, wait for me. Are you serious? Oh my god. And bro, are you serious? So it's 10. Oh, he shapeshifted into me. He's gonna kill me. I'm an imposter too. I'm hopping in the vents. No! They reported a body. Voting results. Bye, Orange. Three imposters remain. Okay, let's do this. We're gonna just sabotage ending. I told you. Someone protecting you? That's just me. My god, it's a long thing, man. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Dead body already? What? Please don't vote for me. Now time for the easiest win of all. Now time to sabotage lights and get the win. Sabotage. 7. How do you want to go? Let's go! GG! This time we're doing a hide and seek round and don't report. If someone reports, then I'm gonna don't report. I will just let you know. Oh, look, it's a cool photo. It's nice. Oh, there's credits in the imposter. Me again? What? Well, I forgot to add no rules. At least we're engineers. Gotta act like a good imposter. I'll just hop in the van so you guys know. Or shapeshift into someone. Go. Hi. Let's go. Haha, it's me. Dead body. Our imposter partner got ejected. Oh my god. Now we gotta pro IQ this thing. Okay, 9. Let's stay together, imposter. Stay together. Let's stay together. Let's stay together, man. We gotta stay together. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'll come on the other side too. I'm coming. Where do you go? My god, lights. I killed. Look what I did. No one there. Anyone watching on cameras? There, no one's watching. Oh, there's free bodies in here, huh? on shift. Huh. Bro. 5, 4, 3, 2. Dead body. Okay, GG, boys! Everyone is either a scientist or engineer. Okay, it's full now. Let's start. Oh, I copied the keyboard thing. Okay, we're starting. There's either 15 engineers or 15 scientists. And 3 shapeshifters. That's all of the shapeshifters. Don't know who's who. Don't trust no one. No one. Okay, I'm not an imposter. Bro, there's one missing. One missing in the club. Where did he go? I'm here. Oh, I guess 50% of the people are imposters. I got the burger test. I go in the burger. Oh, my. Where's my bitch? Don't kill me. Don't do it. I was gonna know. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. I'm learning. Okay, we got the. I didn't get to do my tag! Sounds like a sulfur force, maybe. It has to be a sulfur force, not me. It's not Sleepyhead! It's not me! I'll go around it. No. No. It's SS. It's literally shapeshifter. What do you? I'm voting you. The tie. It wasn't gonna set me up now. I've been in. Bro, you've been in 3 times in a row. No, you kid. I usually pause during meetings. Oh man, not a scientist. I'm literally a scientist. You don't know that. Yellow is dead. Yellow is dead. Yellow is dead. Yellow is dead, and I don't know where. But if we know where he is, looks like the imposter left us some clues. Ew, I really hate this Ah! Blue was acting so sus. What the heck? Was it cyan? It was cyan. Okay, I guess I got a ruby task. Gotta clean my ruby. Gotta clean my ruby. Look, I'm a guardian angel. Oh my god, let me just do my task. Voting results. Yeah, we only need one more kill for the imposters to win. And we don't even know who. We're the sleepyheads. Where's my body? Where are my sleepyheads? Oh, it's cyan! Okay, I'm protecting everyone from cyan. Oh, I can't protect. Dang it. Comms is the most important one then. Only if we don't have any guardian angels. Right. It's red. I only need like one more kill. It's blue. Oh my god. Cyan! What are you doing? Cyan is so evil. Oh my god! This is hide and seek. Now we're gonna do hide and seek. People are leaving. Do you know why I picked Because there's a lot of hiding spots in their HQ. Yeah, I forgot to add any engineers. Okay, we're not the seeker. None of us are the seeker. Okay, people are leaving because they're probably not the imposter. And I'm the scientist. No. People are gonna find my hiding spot. I'm hiding in here. No one can find me. I'm totally invisible. The seeker didn't kill anyone yet. So we can have up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people dead if we don't report. Let's see. We gotta find a place to hide! Oh my god. No one's sus. Okay, you gotta vote yourselves. I told everyone, whoever's the imposter, you gotta vote out. You gotta kill Cyan. Our goal is to get all our tasks done. Like that. Done. See? We're clear. Now I gotta do admin. Oops, wrong device. We gotta know who the seeker is. It might be Banana. It's fine if you kill in front of us. Jeez. So we can have up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 people can get murdered at what? I'm done with my task. I got laboratory and greenhouse. Yoink, 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 yoink. No one is dead because the speaker has. See, White is dead. White is dead. We gotta make sure Cyan has to die before he reports. And yes, we don't have any emergency meetings. Okay, there. The imposter got out Cyan. Yeah, we found a different law because I did want to join with those guys. Okay, we started. Hey, and again for my test. Big Bella! Woohoo! I make a Krabby Patty. Okay, first we have Patty. Tomatoes. Onions, then the water. Done. Okay, what do I do? Oh my god, Cyan just killed me. Okay, it's Cyan. Okay, someone else is dead. Voting results. We know it's Cyan, so we gotta stay away from Cyan. I'll do my task on the way. Okay, it's gonna be easier since I get there too. Ooh, I get Woomy. It's Cyan! It's Cyan! I know it's Cyan. I literally know it's Cyan. Cyan is acting so. Literally Cyan. Literally Cyan. I know it's Cyan. It's literally Cyan. I know it's Cyan. I'll be touching. Cyan sucks. Cyan sucks. Cyan sucks. How can I? Super sus. He was chasing me. We know it's you, Cyan. Oh my god. Oh, it's Cyan! Oh my god. Why did I never listen? It's literally Cyan. Is there 3 imposters? Yes, there is. Okay, now we gotta press that emergency meeting before Cyan kills us. No way we're gonna run like that. We gotta press that emergency meeting. Run! I knew it! Well, guys, the end of this video, guys. Bye.